Good morning, myself Dr. Mrunal Akre, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyagun, Global Institute of Ayurveda. In our pharmacological series, we are now next moving towards our topic hormonal therapy. Generally, hormonal therapy is lastly used when there is any disturbance in the secretion of any hormone or any secretion that is lagged by a pituitary and the specific organ which is not having its own function. So in such condition we use hormonal therapy or hormonal replacement therapy. So in hormonal replacement therapy it is essential ki which hormones we are going to replace. So first is anterior pituitary hormone. They are growth hormone, prolactin, gonadotropins, thyroid stimulating hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. Next is thyroid hormone, which is secreted by thyroid gland, that are thyroxine, then triiodothyronine, that is T4, and calcitonin. Then insulin. Afterwards corticosteroids, adrenogens, estrogens, progestin, antiprogestin, uterine stimulating hormone, that is oxytocin and abortifacients, ergometrin, methyl ergometrin, prostaglandins, uterine relaxants and tocolytics. Hormone. Generally hormone in Greek it means to stir up, means that is boosting up. It is a substance of intense biological activity that is produced by specific cells in the body and transmitted through circulation to a targeted cell or organ. Generally, hormone regulate body functions to bring about a programmed pattern of life events like hemostasis, then external and internal adjustment to external and internal environment, then growth factor, then development of body parts, etc. Now hormones are secreted by endocrine and ductless gland. First we will see about pituitary. Pituitary has two parts, two lobes, anterior and posterior. Anterior lobe it secretes growth hormone, prolactin, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone and gonadotropins, especially follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Posterior part of pituitary it secretes oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone like ADH and vasopressin. Thyroid it secretes thyroxine, that is T4, triiodothyronine, that is T3 and calcitonin. Then parathyroid hormone it is secreted by parathyroid gland. Pancreas, islets of Langerhans it secretes insulin and glucagon. Adrenals, adrenal gland it secretes, it has two portions, cortex and medulla. Cortex secretes glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids and sexteroids. Medulla it secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline. Gonads generally in males androgens, testosterone is secreted. In females estrogen, estradiol and progesterone are secreted. Now mechanism of and site of action of hormones. Generally a hormone acts on the specific receptor located within the targeted cell. Now at cell membrane receptors they have alteration of adrenaline, glucagon. In intracellular it is having TSH, FSH, LH. Then in some protein kinase hypothalamic regulation of cell releasing hormone functional like calcium ions acting vasopressin, and third messenger in some situation. At cytoplasmic receptor penetrating cell steroidal hormones, the membrane hormone glucocorticoids combine with a mineralocorticoid cytoplasmic receptor adrenogen exposes it DNA estrogen binding domain. At nuclear receptor the hormone like thyroid hormone treats the nucleus, thyroxine combine with it, triiodothyronine receptor alter DNA and RNA mediates. Now about anterior pituitary hormone. Anterior pituitary hormone has the acidophils are either somatotropes, that is growth hormone, or lactotropes, that is prolactin. And basophils are gonadotropes like follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. Thyrotropes like TSH and corticotropes like lipotropes and ACTH. Growth hormone, it promotes growth of bones and all body organs by inducing hyperplasia. The hypothalamus produces growth releasing hormone as well as releases inhibitory somatostatin hormone. Now, in pathological involvements, excess production of growth hormone may be responsible for gigantism in childhood and acromegaly in adults. Hyposecretion of growth hormone in children results in pituitary dwarfism. In adult, growth hormone deficiency is very rarely seen, but if it occurs in any rare condition, then it will result into low muscle and bone mass, lethargic condition, decreased work capacity, hyperlipidemia, and increased cardiovascular risk. Market preparations are primary indication of growth hormone is pituitary dwarfism. In pituitary dwarfism, 0.03 to 0.06 milligram per kg daily in the evening or on alternate day up to the age of 20 years are given. In adult growth hormone deficiency patients should given retarded growth hormone in the dose of 150 to 300 gram per day, subcut adjusted later according to response increases. If the injectable response is very much, or the person response is very good towards the injectables, then we can increase the dose accordingly. Initially we have to give 150 gram per day, then we can increase till 300 gram per day. It will increases lean body mass, decrease body fat, improves energy and mentation, and may reduce excessive morbidity and mortality by stature in affected. Market preparation are somatotropin, norditropin, 5, 10, 15 milligram injections are available. Humatrop 6 milligram, 12 milligram, and cartridge 1.32 and 5.33 milligram vials are available in market. Now somatostatin. Somatostatin is a 14 amino acid peptide that inhibit the secretion of growth hormone, prolactin and TSH by pituitary, insulin and glucagon by pancreas, and almost all gastrointestinal secretions including gastrin and HCl. The gastrointestinal action produce steatorrhea, diarrhea, hypochlorhydria, dyspepsia and nausea as side effect. Use of somatostatin in acromegaly is limited by its short duration of action, that is 2 to 3 minutes plasma half-life. Lack of specificity by inhibiting only growth hormone secretion and growth hormone rebound on discontinuation. Its dose for upper gastrointestinal bleeding is 250 mg IV injection for over 3 minutes followed by 3 mg IV injection over 12 hours. Stelman, Somatosan, Somastat 250 mg and 3 mg ampules are available. Octreotide, it is an synthetic octopeptide surrogate of somatostatin, which is 40 times more potent in suppressing growth hormone. When growth hormone is secreted excessively, then we will give this somatostatin and octreotide. It is longer acting for 90 minutes. Adverse effects are abdominal pain, nausea, steatorrhea, diarrhea and gallstones. Octreotide injectables are available in 100 mg dosage. We can follow it by 25 to 50 mg per hour. It reduces hepatic blood flow and helps stop esophageal variceal bleeding. Its trade name are available in market like Sandostatin, Octride in 50 mg and 100 mg ampules. Prolactin. Prolactin, it is its physiological function of prolactin is primary stimulate which conjugation with estrogen, progesterone and several other hormones causes growth and development of breast during pregnancy. Also, it suppresses thalamo-pituitary gonadal axis by inhibiting the growth hormone release. Regulation of secretion of prolactin is under predominant inhibitory control of hypothalamus through PRIH, which is dopamine that acts on pituitary lactotrope D2 receptor. Physiopathological involvement: hyperprolactemia is responsible for the galactorrhea, amenorrhea, infertility syndrome in women. In male, it causes loss of libido and depressed fertility. Uses: there are no clinical indication for prolactin. Prolactin inhibitor: these are used when prolactin is secreted in excess amount. The first prolactin inhibitor is bromocriptine. Bromocriptine, it decreases prolactin release from pituitary by acting dopaminergic receptor on lactotrope cells. Then it increases growth hormone release in normal individuals but decreases the same from pituitary tumors that causes acromegaly. It has levodopa-like action in CNS, anti-Parkinsonism and behavioral effect. Pharmacokinetics of bromocriptine: only 1/3 of an oral dose of bromocriptine is absorbed. Bioavailability is further lowered by high first pass metabolism in liver. Its plasma half-life is 3 to 6 hours. In market, prolactin, prolactinal, prolodel, scriptin, bromogen are available in 1.25 mg and 2.5 mg tablets. Its use are in hyperprolactemia, acromegaly, Parkinsonism, hepatic coma, diabetic mellitus. Gonadotropins. Physiological function of gonadotropins are, that is, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone acts in concert to promote gametogenesis and secretion of gonadal hormones. FSH in the female, it includes follicular growth, development of ovum and secretion of estrogen. In the male, it supports spermatogenesis and has a trophic influence on seminiferous tubule. Ovarian and testicular atrophy occurs in the absence of FSH. Luteinizing hormone, it includes pre-ovulatory swelling of the ripe Graafian follicle and triggers ovulation followed. Gonadotropins, that is FSH plus LH, is a preparation obtained from urine of menopausal women. In market, it comes as Pregnom, Pregonol, Ginogen, etc. Urofolitropin or menotropin, they come by trade name of Metrodin, Foligest, Folliculin, Purigen. Human chorionic gonadotropin is derived from urine of pregnant women. It causes amenorrhea. Amenorrhea and infertility, hypogonadotropic hypogonadism in males and cryptorchidism. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, thyrotropin. Physiological function of TSH: stimulates thyroid to synthesize and secrete thyroxine, that is T4, and triiodothyronine, that is T3. Pathological involvement: only few cases of hypo or hyperthyroidism are due to inappropriate TSH secretion. The use of thyroid stimulating hormone is in thyrotropin has no therapeutic use. Thyroxine is a drug of choice even when hypothyroidism is due to TSH deficiency. This hypothyroxine, it is commonly available with the trade name of thyroxine, thyroine, thyronine. It is just used in every hypothyroidism cases. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Physiological function of ACTH: promotes steroidogenesis in adrenal cortex by stimulating AMP formation in cortical cells. Rapidly increases the availability of cholesterol for conversion of pregnenolone, which is the rate limiting step in the production of glycomineral and weakly adrenogenic steroids. Regulation of secretion. Hypothalamus regulate ACTH releases from pituitary through corticotropin releasing hormone. Pathological involvement. Excess production of ACTH from basophils pituitary tumors is responsible for some cases of Cushing syndrome. Hypocorticism occurs in pituitary insufficiency due to low ACTH production. Its uses are primarily for the diagnosis of disorders of pituitary adrenal axis. Injected IV 25 IU causes increase in plasma cortisol if the adrenals are functional. Direct assay of plasma ACTH level is now preferred. Thyroid hormone. Mechanism of action. Both T3 and T4 penetrate cells by active transport and produce majority of their action by combining with a nuclear thyroid hormone receptor, which belongs to the steroid and retinoid superfamily of intracellular receptors. Pharmacokinetics and interaction. Oral bioavailability of L-thyroxine is around 75%, but severe hypothyroidism can reduce oral absorption. It should be administered in empty stomach to avoid interference by food. Sucralfate, iron, calcium and proton pump inhibitor also reduce L-thyroxine absorption. So, if any patient is detected by having deficiency of L-thyroxine, initially we have to see about his medicaments. If he is taking iron, calcium or proton pump inhibitor, then L-thyroxine may be decreased. So even if the patient are taking sucralfate, iron, calcium and proton pump inhibitor, we should tell to stop this medicine, and after that we can give him thyroid hormone. Preparation of thyroid hormone are I-thyroxine, sodium, L-troxin, roxin, Thyronorm, Thyrox in the strength of 25 mg, 50 mg, 75, 100 mg are available. They are used as an hormonal replacement therapy in deficiency state of cretinism, adult hypothyroidism, myxedema, coma, non-toxic goiter, thyroid nodule, papillary carcinoma of thyroid and empirical cases. Thyroid inhibitors. These thyroid inhibitors are used in thyrotoxicosis, generally to control thyrotoxicosis or in grave disease. These are the drugs, they lower the functional capacity of hyperactive thyroid gland. They are classified as inhibit hormone synthesis antithyroid drugs, that is propyl thiouracil, methazole and carbamazole. Inhibit iodal trapping ionic inhibitors, that is thiocyanates, prochlorates and nitrates. Inhibit hormone release, that is iodine, iodides or of sodium and potassium organic iodides. Destroy thyroid tissue, that is radioactive iodine I32, I25-1, I23-1. Antithyroid drugs are thioamides. By convention, only the hormone synthesis inhibitor are called as antithyroid drugs. These terms has also been applied to all thyroid inhibitors. Antithyroid drugs bind to the thyroid peroxide and prevent oxidation of iodide. Iodotriosine reduces thereby. They also inhibit iodation of tyrosine and inhibit coupling of iodotriosine. Pharmacokinetics. All antithyroid drugs are quickly absorbed orally, widely distributed in the body, enter milk and cross placenta. They are metabolized in liver and excreted in urine primarily as metabolites. Preparations and doses. Propyl thiouracil 50 to 150 mg TDS followed by 25 to 50 mg BD or TDS for maintenance. Metamizole 5 to 10 mg TDS initially and maintenance doses 5 to 15 mg in 1 to 2 divided doses. Carbamazole 5 to 15 mg TDS and maintenance doses 2.5 to 10 mg in 1 to 2 divided doses. All these drugs are used in thyrotoxicosis, both grave disease and toxic nodular goiter. Insulin. We have seen this insulin in diabetic topic. It is a polypeptide chain of 51 amino acids, molecular weight is 6000. Type of insulin are rapid acting insulin, short acting and intermediate acting insulin and long acting. These insulin are given when there is when the pancreas fails to produce insulin. Then market preparation are regular soluble insulin, lente insulin or insulin zinc suspension, highly purified insulin, then highly purified monocomponent pork lente insulin, highly purified pork isophane insulin, and mixture of highly purified pork regular insulin and isophane insulin. Human insulins are also available. Human actrapid insulin, human monotard insulin, human insulitard insulin are available. Insulin analogs are used when insulin is secreted in excess amount. Insulin lispro, insulin aspart. Now reaction of insulin is hypoglycemia, local reaction, allergy, edema are seen. Corticosteroids. Corticosteroids had widespread action. They maintain fluid, electrolyte, cardiovascular energy, substrate hemostasis and functional status of skeletal muscle and nervous system. Glucocorticoids effect on carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism and other action. Mineralocorticoids affects on sodium, potassium, ion and fluid balance. The principal mineralocorticoid action is enhancement of sodium ion reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubule in kidney. Hydrocortisone, that is cortisol, it is act rapidly but the short duration of action. It, in addition to primary glucocorticoids, it has sufficient mineralocorticoid activity. It is used as replacement therapy 20 mg morning plus 10 mg afternoon orally. Shock, status asthmaticus, acute adrenal insufficiency are the indication of hydrocortisone. Prednisolone, it is 4 times more potent than hydrocortisone. Also more selective glucocorticoid, but fluid retention does occur with high doses. It has intermediate duration of action, causes less pituitary adrenal suppression. When it is given in single morning dose or alternate day treatment, it is given. It is used for allergic, inflammatory, autoimmune diseases. Methylprednisolone, it is slightly more potent and selective than prednisolone and has relatively less side effect than prednisolone. It is used in the dose of 4 to 32 mg per day oral. Methylprednisolone acetate has been used as an retention enema in ulcerative colitis. Triamine amicinolone. It is slightly more potent than prednisolone and have high selective glucocorticoid activity. Dexamethasone, it is a very potent and highly selective glucocorticoid. It is long acting and markedly causes pituitary adrenal suppression by fluid retention and hypertension. It is used in inflammatory and allergic condition. Betamethasone, it is has similar action of dexamethasone. Dexamethasone or betamethasone are preferred in cerebral edema and other states in which fluid retention must be avoided. Deflazacort, it is a glucocorticoid potency of this newer steroid is like that of prednisolone only. Fludrocortisone, it is a potent mineralocorticoid having some glucocorticoid activity. It is used in Addison's disease. All these hormones, they are used as replacement therapy, acute adrenal insufficiency, chronic adrenal insufficiency, Addison's disease, then congenital adrenal hyperplasia, gout, rheumatic fever, osteoarthritis, collagen diseases, bronchial asthma, autoimmune diseases, severe allergic reaction, eye diseases, skin diseases, intestinal diseases, malignancy, cerebral edema, septic shock, organ transplants, then skin allografts. Their adverse effect are mineralocorticoids. They generally have sodium and water retention, edema, hypokalemia, alkalosis and progressive rise in BP. Glucocorticoid, they can have Cushing's habitus, fragile skin, purpule stray. Purpule stray means they purple colored or red colored patches will be seen on skin. Hyperglycemia, fetal abnormalities, growth retardation, glaucoma, osteoporosis, psychiatric disturbances. Contraindication, this corticoids, steroids, they are contraindicated in diabetic diabetes, hypertension, viral and fungal infection, tuberculosis, other infection, osteoporosis, herpes simplex, keratitis, psychosis, epilepsy, CHF and renal failure. Adrenogens are male sex hormones. The sex organs and secondary sex characters are generally adrenergic. Testosterone is responsible for the change occur in puberty at the age of puberty in boys. Generally, all the secondary sex characters like beard, mustache, pubic and axillary hairs, development of penis, this is responsible due to androgens. Growth of genitalia, penis, scrotum, seminal vesicles, prostate, growth of hair, they are responsible due to adrenogens. Test is moderately large dose causes testicular atrophy in inhibiting general secretion from pituitary. Skeleton and skeletal muscles. Testosterone is responsible for pubertal sprout of growth in boys and at a smaller extent in girls. Then testosterone accelerates erythropoiesis in increasing erythropoietin production and probably direct action on hemosynthesis. Men have higher hematocrit than women due to this reason only. Pharmacokinetic, testosterone is inactive orally due to a high first pass metabolism in liver. Duration of action after IM injectable is very short. Therefore, slow absorbed esters of testosterone are used in this route. Preparation are testosterone free, testosterone propionate are available in market. The uses generally in libidos and other male sex characters. Estrogens, they are female sex hormones, sex organs. On sex organ, the estrogen brings about pubertal change in female during puberty, includes growth of uterus, fallopian tubes and vagina. Secondary sex characters are developed like growth of breast, proliferation of duct and stroma, accumulation of fat, especially female kind of accumulation of fat. Due to estrogen, the fat it is deposited on the pubic area. Mechanism of action: estrogen binds to specific nuclear receptor in target cells and produce effect by regulating protein synthesis. Estrogen receptor have been demonstrated in female sex organ, breast, pituitary, liver, bone, blood vessels, heart and central nervous system. They are uses currently in most common as a contraceptive for hormonal replacement therapy in postmenopausal women. Progestin, these are substances which convert estrogen primed proliferative endometrium to secretory and maintain the pregnancy in animals. Its action: the action of progesterone is preparation of uterus for nidation and maintenance of pregnancy. The latter is due to prevention of endometrial shedding, decreased uterine motility and inhibition of immunological rejection of the fetus. Progesterone depressed T cell function and cell mediated immunity. So this was all about our hormonal replacement therapy. Thank you. We will meet with our next topic. Do share this video, like the video, and if you have any queries, kindly comment it in the comment box. Thank you.